In this video, we will look at the quickest way to upload photos and videos into MetaDLE, which is through the home page. In the previous videos, we show you how to set up your profile, and all the information from your profile is what will be used to build the information on your homepage. The only thing you need to add are 7 to 10 keywords from either the standard keyword list at the bottom or your custom keywords, which were also hopefully already made using one of our previous videos. After you sign in, the first thing you will see is the main upload box. Here, you can select the Browse button to choose your files. MetaDLE allows you to upload up to 100 items at a time, which makes this method ideal when you want to process a large group without moving through different screens. Once you select your photos or videos, the upload will begin immediately. When the files appear on the page, you can start meta-infusing them right away. This method is simple and works well when you want to get your content into the system quickly. If you have a set of listing photos, marketing images, or video clips you already organized on your computer, the homepage method gives you a fast way to bring everything into MetaDLE and begin preparing it. Just hit download and you're done. You have your first meta-infused image. In the next video, we will look at how the file management system supports larger or more structured workflows.